treating and preventing foot odor. Foot odor is a common problem that the average person will encounter at some time during their life. Foot odor can be the result of poor hygiene, bacteria or fungus, type of footwear, humidity, and even stress. It's an embarrassing and unpleasant problem to suffer from. There are a lot of products on the market right now for. However, these products only neutralize the odor. Rarely do they eliminate it completely. Today, we're offering you some tips and natural treatments to fight back against foot odor and get better results. How do I prevent foot odor? For any treatment to be effective, it is very important to take a few precautions before applying any remedy. The problem often arises from our daily habits, which is why it is important to first identify and correct bad habits if we want the problem to disappear completely. Hygiene. It is very important to clean your feet daily to reduce the presence of bacteria. If possible, you should use an antibacterial soap and exfoliant to remove the buildup of dead cells. Humidity. Humidity is one cause of foot odor. It's important to keep your feet dry and out of overly humid environments, as this will help prevent fungus growth. Deodorants. Using spray or powder deodorant for your feet is a great way to avoid excess sweating and odor. Footwear. What you put on your feet is an important factor when it comes to foot odor. It's important to choose footwear that allows the feet to breathe, because airtight shoes will lead to odor problems. Socks. Socks made from synthetic materials encourage the development of odors. If possible, use 100 cotton socks. Treatments for foot odor. After applying the above tips, a home remedy is also a great way to naturally eliminate and prevent foot odor. There are several ways to clean your feet and eliminate this embarrassing nuisance. Baking soda. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and can be used in place of sprays and powders. Sprinkle a little in your shoes and on your feet to prevent excess sweating and odor. Apple cider vinegar. It is also mildly antibacterial. Add 5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a basin of hot water and soak feet for 10 minutes. Sage. Sage is a plant with antibacterial properties to help stop your feet from sweating excessively. To use. Put dry sage leaves in your shoes daily or immerse your feet in an infusion of sage in hot water for 15 minutes. Ginger. Ginger is a root with antibacterial properties that helps fight foot odor. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger reduces swelling and relaxes the feet. To make use of this powerful remedy, simply grate 1 medium-sized ginger root into a quart of water and boil for 15 minutes. Use this liquid to massage your feet before bed. Rosemary, lemon and mint. This natural remedy is ideal for eliminating foot odor because it stops excess sweating, eliminates bacteria and deeply cleanses the skin of the feet to leave them clean, fresh and odor-free. How do I prepare this all-natural remedy? In a large bowl, mix 1 quart warm water, the juice of 1 lemon, a tablespoon of rosemary and a tablespoon of mint. Soak your feet for 15 minutes in the mixture and dry thoroughly, leaving no trace of moisture.